Hello, my name is Gene. I'm a lead service technician from Hughes Service. Today I want to talk to you about heat pumps, pros and cons, myths and truth. So here we have the heat pump. Not the regular heat pump. Regular heat pump is right here. So as you can see, they looks like pretty much the same like your regular AC unit. Can be slim body, can be square body, can be tall, can be short, like all of the different sizes. Heat pump is a full electrical equipment. Usually if you have your furnace, that's a gas furnace. This is the full electrical equipment. Heat pump considered to be more efficient, more eco-friendly, less carbon footprint for the atmosphere. And yes, that's true. Why the modern heat pumps are much more efficient than your regular conventional AC plus furnace system? Let's imagine. To get the heat from your regular gas furnace, you need to burn fuel. And we all know that not all of the heat goes inside of our house. We have the heat losses in the gas furnaces. To make a heat with a heat pump, you don't need to burn any fuel. The heat pump is a mechanical miracle when it's stealing the heat from the environment, just from the air. Because of that, we have one more myth, that heat pumps doesn't work really efficiently with the cold weather. That's also not true. If the heat pump is sized properly, if it's installed properly, if it is set up properly, the heat pumps can heat up your house really good in any outdoor temperature. Even in the coldest part of the United States, all the heat pumps can be provided with the emergency heaters, electrical heaters, and a lot of different devices, whether you can go to the negative temperatures. This is how your usual heat pump looks outside. This body or this body, so some of them nicer, some of them old school, but let's look how the heat pump looks inside. We need to do a quick walk to one of our classrooms where we have a lot of equipment installed. So the heat pump inside can be in several different applications. The most common one is going to be your regular air handler, which looks like pretty much like a furnace, and it's of the same size. Can be easily installed instead of your gas furnace to the same place with the same footprint. So this is like the most common. Nowadays, also a lot of customers prefer to do the zoning of the house, and they using even the ductless application. So ductless application looks like this. Let's see on the wall. We have different wall units which can be installed on a wall. As you can see, you don't need ductwork for this one, just 2 pipes and 3 wires. Problem with these wall units, the biggest problem of them is not really good air filtration. So as you can see, this is all that you're gonna get with the air filtration. Yes, it's gonna catch some rocks from the air, but nothing else. It can be done like a concealed cassette, like this one, so where it's pretty much flush with your ceiling and you don't really see it, just a small plastic grill, which is, as for me, looks pretty good. This one you definitely can see. This is the wall unit, which installed usually closer to the floor, looking like an old radiant heater. Also, those cassettes, they exist in 4-way, like this one, so it's blowing air all 4 ways, or single way, so it's blowing air directly 1 way. Not all of the customer knows that the heat pump outdoor unit with a particular humidity of the air and the particular temperature of the air start leaking condensation water from the inside. So it means that if you have a pavement and the drain system of the outdoor unit wasn't done properly, you will have a pretty big puddle of water here. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please consider to subscribe this YouTube channel. Thank you and see you in the next one.